Next example. Is it possible to design a rectangle mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? Okay, here length is twice its breadth. Okay, length given, length equal to twice the breadth. Okay, twice its breadth. And area is given, area equal to 800 meter square. Okay, if so, find its length and breadth. Okay, suppose let breadth equal to x meters. Okay, then length equal to 2 into breadth. Okay, 2 into breadth is x. Okay, 2x meters. Okay, so we know area formula, area of the rectangle, length into breadth. How much? 800 meter square. Okay, length into, length is 2x, breadth is x meters. It is equal to 800 meter square. 2x square equal to 800. X square equal to 800 by 2 equal to 400. X square equal to 400. X equal to plus or minus 20. Okay, here x values plus 20 and or minus 20. Okay, see, x is breadth never be negative. Okay, so breadth equal to 20 and length equal to 2 into breadth, 2 into 20, 40 meters. Okay, it is possible to design a rectangle mangrove grove with length is 40 meters and breadth is 20 meters. Okay, next question. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Okay, you have to find their ages. The sum of the ages of two friends. Two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages is in the years was 48. Okay, here given sum of the product of their ages. Okay, here given 4 years ago product of their ages. Okay, we have to find their ages. Okay, the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Let present age of one friend equal to x years. Okay, other friend, present age of other friend. Okay, other friend, let y years. Okay, we have sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. Okay, sum of ages of two friends, x plus y equal to 20 years and 4 years ago. 4 years ago, first friend, 4 years ago. First friend, x minus 4 years and other friend, y minus 4 years. Okay, here given product of their ages 4 years ago was 48. Okay, is nothing but x minus 4 years, x minus 4 into y minus 4 equal to how much? 48 years. Okay, so x into y, xy, minus 4 into y, minus 4y, x into minus 4, minus 4x, minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16 plus 16, which is equal to 48. Okay, xy, here minus 4 is common, y plus x. Okay, x plus 5, 16 equal to 48. Okay, xy minus 4 into x plus y. We know sum of the ages x plus y. X plus y equal to, here x plus y equal to 20 years. Okay. xy minus 4 into x plus y 20 plus 4 16 equal to 48. Okay. xy minus 4 20s are 80 plus 16 equal to 48. Minus 80 plus 16 minus 64 equal to 48. Okay. xy equal to minus 64 comes to this side plus 54 plus 64. Okay. 48 plus 64 equal to 112. xy equal to 112. Okay. We know sum of the ages x plus y equal to 20 years. Here y equal to 20 minus x plus x comes to this side minus x. Okay. Y value substitute in the equation, xy equal to 112. Okay. X into y value 20 minus x equal to 112. 20 into x 20x minus x into x minus x square equal to 112. Okay. X square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Okay. So discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b square equal to 20 minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 112. Okay. 20 whole square minus into minus plus 20 square is 400 minus 4 into 112. Okay. 448. 400 minus 448 minus 48. Okay. Here we get negative value. D is less than 0. We know if D is less than 0, we get imaginary roots. Okay. Here this equation has no real roots. No real roots. D is less than 0. Therefore, the equation has no real roots. So, given situation is not possible. Not possible. Okay.